Oh, even recording also started now. You please next time tell me if recording is not started or something because every time I just forget to check. And today also I forgot to check whether it started or not. Okay. So what I was asking, just match this one, and then today we will
My
just
answer is
revise the
right.
chapter 3, and then next time we'll start next chapter 4. Okay.
मैम मेरा बाकी है.
बाकी है मतलब we have not tried also. I had told you to try. And who is that? What is your name? What is your
मैम
name?
मेरा मैकेनिक.
मतलब what is left? You have not try or you have not match. मैच करना बाकी है आंसर कि ट्राई करना ही बाकी है.
मैच करना बाकी है.
अच्छा, which one? This one, no? Or that up one? Which was that? Okay, match it and then let me inform. Other girls before also I told you to try.
मैम I should try. And Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have tried. Ma'am, your voice is so breaking.
Even your mic is I guess not working properly because when you spoke I didn't hear properly. Other girls, if please tell me whether my voice is proper, clear or not. It's
Your
breaking or
voice
what.
is proper. Ma'am, it's proper. Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay. So whoever is complaining, please check your own network, rejoin the meeting. You already know the solutions. Okay, I guess all the girls have matched the answer. You matched the answer?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
up one, H and I. Now match this J and at last you can tell me okay, whether all the answers are right or not. And even you can match also at home whenever you're doing homework. Do you do that way? Means you try and then match from the PDF. Who do that way?
Me,
How
Saima.
many of you?
Ma'am, I do in Siabora.
Okay, good. So I guess exams
Ma'am,
will
I
speak yes. So I guess during exams you don't have to even revise. Those who are trying and matching the answers, those are following that method, no? Very good. Okay, so now ask me doubt if you have everyone. I'm showing this and please ask me which doubt do you have? Any doubt? Whether in multiplication or division? Or let me take the test, whatever you want. If you are ready, then I will take a short test. Means one division and one multiplication. That's it. Nothing. So who are ready for the test?
ma'am, me, Insia. Me,
Okay.
Saima. Ma'am, approach me, Za.
Okay. Four girls are
Ma'am,
ready.
Malkani.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, Malkani Fatima.
Okay. Okay. One from exercise 3B and one from 3C. I'm planning means one multiplication and one division. So five girls are ready. Okay. So other girls, you also please try to
Malkani
give the test.
Fatima.
I guess 6 to 7 girls said.
Mama, I will try body wala mari.
Okay, fine. Okay. See, this is the test only, so that you can also know. Okay, those who have tried, completed the fair book. Now they also know or not, because sometimes whenever you complete Facebook, whenever you learn the homework, everything, but then also the concept is not clear. So that's why let's check. So one multiplication sum and one division sum. Okay.
मैं क्या करूँ मेरे टाइम में साथी में
मतलब
मैं डिवीजन के करूँ या मल्टीप्लाई के
अरे बोथ आई एम गिविंग वन मल्टीप्लिकेशन सम एंड वन डिवीजन, तो तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन दोनों आता है कि नहीं.
ओके मैम हमारी बुक में करने का है या आप बोलोगे
हाँ, रफ बुक इन रफ बुक, यू हैव टू डू इन रफ बुक. I am taking the test so that you can know your mistake, your doubts, everything. Because you are not even asking me doubts. Whenever I give the time to you to ask me doubt. अब पता नहीं क्यों नहीं पूछते हो तुम लोग डाउट. But I guess you should ask the doubt whenever you have. तो होप एटलीस्ट टेस्ट के बाद तुम लोग डाउट पूछोगे if you have. And you all the girls, those who are ready, they don't have any doubt, no? Means Saima is ready, then Inshia, Miza, then Bajaj, Fatima. You all don't have any doubt, no?
शट
Yes. Do you have any doubt in that multiplication and division? So that first we can revise and then.
यस यस
Okay. So give the test and how much time you want, all the girls?
मैम मुझे 10 मिनट
Okay. Okay, so 10 minutes I'm giving.
मैम कैन वी राइट विथ पेंसिल
Yes, yes, sure. Then you can rub also. That will be good because you have to give in the rough book only. Right now it's 10:31. You can see 31 till 41. Then after 41 I will not give the time to anyone. 10 minutes
ओके
is enough, no? You want more time? Is that enough?
यस मैम
Okay. And whenever you do this multiplication, so for carry numbers, no, how I have drawn the line, no, in the fair book. The same way you can draw the lines for carry numbers. मतलब दोनों का जो carry number होता है उसके लिए. You can first arrange, draw the carry lines, and start multiplication. And after you finish, please inform me. Suppose if you finish early, 10 मिनट से पहले अगर हो जाए तो.
हमारा कब टाइम पूरा होगा? एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Is there anyone who has any kind of doubt? So please ask me.
मैम टाइम पूरा हो गया?
नहीं 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 38 means 3 minutes are left.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन। साइमा।
Very good.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन। मार्कानी फातिमा।
Excellent. By the way, in FA1, who got more than 15? I forgot to ask you. FA1 में
आई
15 से अब
आई
मीन्स एक बार मैंने पूछा था ना कितने आएंगे, सो हु आर थिंकिंग दैट दे विल गेट मोर देन 15?
टाइम तो 10:15 के थे ना। सारा
क्या 10:15 मतलब? And in FA2 also, who are
मैम
planning, means whose
10:15।
goal is that? Whose goal is to get more than 15 marks in FA2 also?
आई गॉट फातिमा मी साइमा। मी
Okay.
बॉडी वाला मरियम।
Okay. Even I saw your marks also, means when I check, I told you, right? जब मैंने check किया था दूसरे ही दिन मैंने तुम लोग को बोला था that most of the papers are written very nicely also, the presentation also, answers are also right, like whether MCQ, whether match the following or whether solve the following. Next day only I told you. that your marks are better than boys, and even most of you have got more than 15 also. Means those who are regular. Huh? Regular students got more than 15 only, but those who don't join no, this Google Meet and attend the lecture, they mostly got between 10 to 15. तो अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि if you are not joining, if you are joining, if you are attending, so how it will affect your result. So if you want more marks this time also and next time also, then attend also, and even this concept will be helpful in higher standard also. शायद तुम्हें ऐसा लगता हो कि अभी 50 है नहीं ध्यान देना है, but in future also these topics are very important, right? What do you think? Multiplication and division, that is useful in higher standard also, 10th standard, 9th standard.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh, I guess you also know, right? Okay, these are the basic things which are very helpful. You have to use this in higher standard to solve other concepts also. There will be so many concepts in higher standard, but these are basic. That's
Ma'am,
why
my
I'm
work is
forcing
finished.
it. I guess now everyone is finished.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
COD वाला
Okay. Okay. So let's solve and then you can match your answer.
Ma'am, 1 minute. मैम
हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
मेरे फोन में चार्जिंग नहीं, क्या मैं लाइव स्टॉक सकती हूँ?
Oh, okay. But then how you will check your test? कि भाई टेस्ट में कितने आंसर राइट है, कैसे चेक करेंगे? आफ्टरवर्ड यू वॉच द वीडियो. ओके.
ओके मैम, 35 तो है ही.
As your wish, if you are thinking that still you have enough charging for this, then you can. Okay, so this is the first one which we are solving, and the next one. Next one is division, no? So afterward. And this answer everyone can say together, okay? ऐसा ऐसा नहीं मैं पूछ रही बोल रही हूँ कि कोई एक ही जवाब देगा. पहले मैं पूछूंगी फिर तुम्हें आंसर देना है, ठीक है? Okay, now let's start. So 2 multiplied by 6. Say together. 2 6 are
12.
12. So 2 down and 1 carry. Then again 2 multiplied by 8.
16 plus 1
And plus
17.
1 17.
Plus 117.
Means 7 down, 1 carry, right? Then other girls, you also please give the answer. Okay, next one 2 multiplied by 9.
18 plus
18
19.
plus 19.
Plus 1, yes. So 19 means 9 down, 1 carry. Then again 2 multiplied by 5.
5
2
2 are
5
10
are 10
plus
plus
1
1
11.
11.
Plus 1 11, yes. Now next line. So whenever we take this digit, which is at tens. So here what we put?
0.
It's rule, no? To
0.
put 0 here. Yes.
2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 80.
Okay, so now let's start multiplying this number with 4. So 4 multiplied by 6.
24.
24 means 4 down and 2 carry. Now 4 multiplied by 8.
32 plus 2 is equal to 34.
Yes, so 4 down, 3 carry. Then again 4 multiplied by 9
36.
plus 3.
मैम,
So, हाँ
मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया.
39.
मतलब क्या
39.
समझ में नहीं, कहाँ से?
जहाँ से
कहाँ
आपने एडिशन करना स्टार्ट किया ना, वहाँ से.
कहाँ से?
जहाँ से आपने एडिशन करना स्टार्ट किया.
हाँ, ओके. See, first we have put the zero, right? This you know, no rule why we put the zero. So we वाला लेते तब, right? Now we have to multiply this number with 4. ठीक है? So 4 multiplied by 6. Why is Fatima, you only tell me. 4 multiplied by 6. 4 6 are
24.
24. मतलब 4 को कहाँ रखेंगे यहाँ पे? And 2 को कैरी करेंगे ना ऊपर.
हाँ.
फिर वापस अभी 6 का हो गया अभी 8 के साथ. 4 multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 8.
32. 4 8.
And plus 2. And this carry also we have to add all the girls.
34.
तो कितने हो जाए?
32 plus 2, 34.
Yes.
34.
So 4 down and 3 carry. Then again 4 multiplied by 9.
4 multiplied by 9. So
हाँ.
4 9 36.
Yes, and plus 3. This carry. Don't forget this carry number, huh? All the girls.
39.
So 9 down and 3 carry. Then
5
4
fours are
multiplied.
20.
Yes,
20 plus 3 is equal to 23.
yes, very good. And now last step, which is of addition. So 2 plus 0,
2.
is equal to 2.
7 plus 4.
7 plus 4 is equal to 11.
So 1 down, 1 carry. Then 1 plus
9.
9 plus
10
4.
plus 4 is equal to
1
14.
is equal to 40. 40.
2 down, 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1 plus
11.
9.
11.
1 down and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1 plus 3.
5 and 2
5.
as it is.
And then 2. Yeah, so we got this. Who's this answer
Me,
is right?
Saima.
First one.
Me both one Miriam.
And I
Okay.
knowledge Miza.
Okay. Other girls, please match your answer. Okay. और किसी को डाउट हो तो भी पूछ लो. And if you even have doubt, please ask me. Now shall I rub this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one is division, right? This. So that we are solving, and then you can tell me at last, okay, whose both the answers are right. And next time whenever I will take the test, no? So I will sit in the computer lab and I will tell you to turn on the cameras so that I can even supervise.
Okay.
Okay. Now next one is number 2.
It is division.
Okay, so first we will need the table. Okay, so first I'm writing the table.
Can I say table?
First time write, then everyone can say together. First I'm writing the question. इसका आंसर एक साथ ही सबको देना है, किसी एक को नहीं. Okay, now you can say together. 51 ones are
51 ones are 51.
51. 1s are 51. 51. 2s are 100.
वेट
100.
अरे एक मिनट मैं क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ तुम आंसर देना 51 टू जा
102.
102.
3 जा
153.
4 जा
204.
204.
5 जा
255.
6 जा
360. 306.
7 जा
357.
8 जा
408.
408.
9 जा
459.
then 10 जा
510.
510.
okay so now let's solve so here how many digits we will take 2 digit or 3 digits from inside this is 5 digit number so 2 digit we will take also yes 3 so 3 digit number is 126 so 126 is not there so which number we will take which is smaller and
102.
nearest
151. 2s are 100.
yes very good okay now next step subtraction so 6 minus 2
6 minus 2 is equal to 4.
2 minus 0
Minus 2.
1 minus 1
0.
0
8
now
down.
yes 8 down now it's 248 so it is not there so which number we will take 248 is
2.
not there
204.
204 and that is how many za
4s are
4
51.
za so that
4.
4 we will write up now subtraction 8 minus 4
4.
4 minus 0
4.
and 2 minus 2
0.
0 then next
6
step
down.
6 down then now again we have to see this number it's there or not
408.
408.
yes 408 and that is 8 za. 8 we will write up. Now subtraction. So you have to do borrowing, right? So now which we will cut
6.
6.
and then what should I write?
And we will cut
3.
3 and then yeah, 16.
16 minus 8 is equal to 8.
8 equal to
Yes. 3 minus 0.
3.
3 minus 0.
3.
3 and 4 minus 4.
0.
0.
0. So now what is Q and R here? Q equal to
Quotient is
Quotient
248 and
248
remainder is
and
38.
reminder 38.
Quadrator.
okay, excellent. So whose both answers are right?
Me, Sai.
Ma'am, my answer is right. Body wala Maria.
Okay, very good. Now, if anyone has doubt, then please ask me the doubt. Otherwise, we are starting the next one.
No,
Doubt
ma'am,
है?
I have no doubt.
Otherwise, like yesterday, I have to ask one student. And one by one, please show your test also. First, I am saying the name. First, Bahjas Fatima, you show.
Okay, ma'am.
And directly book. Huh?
Ma'am, but my first answer is wrong. Second answer is right.
No problem. At least you have given the test that I want to see.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute. Should I share screen because of here is network
Okay,
problem?
okay. Okay.
Heading or लिखी
Ma'am, should it is available?
Yes. Every time I say that only, that if your mic is not working properly, don't speak. So I guess someone's mic is not working properly. Yes, show your book.
Yes, okay.
And if your answer is wrong, I always say no that it's okay if your answer is wrong, but at least you have tried. Okay, means first one also you have done division by mistake.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Actually, that is multiplication. Next time, just see the sign. Okay, which sign is that? Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Okay, at least okay. Now next, who will present? I am saying the name. That student, please present the screen or show. Fatima Zehra Keshwani. Fatima Zehra Keshwani. Fatima Zehra Keshwani. Okay, Gabrani Zainab. I guess you are not giving the test. I guess those are not giving replies. Okay, Inshia Bohra.
শেয়ারিং স্ক্রিন কিরম করে করতে হয় ম্যাম শেয়ার হলে স্ক্রিন করবে
Mute your mic. Bohra Inchia, first please present your screen and show that test.
Ma'am, bye.
Who is that by?
I
You
am
don't
Sid
want to
bye.
show,
Please Fatima.
but you don't want to show that I'm checking, no, that who has given the test.
Presenting.
Present the screen first.
It's presenting.
Yes, yes. And again, I'm just repeating that if your answer is wrong, like you have given the test, but your answers are not right, then also it's okay. But at least you are giving the test, no? That is the main thing. So very good, Bajaj Fatima and Inshia Vohra, both of you. At least you have given the test. Okay, very good, Inshia. Now you can stop presenting. Then Maria, you have given the test. Maria,
ম্যাম
you have given the test. No, show no, please. Okay, this one is the first one. Multiplication. Okay, very good, Maria. Okay, very good. So other girls, you can see Maria is new student. Then also she always attend the classes and even given the test.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Yes,
Now,
Fatima
Saima.
Zehra.
Okay.
First to Fatima Zehra, Keshwani. Okay, this is that multiplication, but I guess you didn't get the same answer. I guess in last step you have subtracted. Last step में ना addition करना होता है, okay? Just to see your answer and next time ask me doubt. Okay.
হ্যাঁ দেখা হয়েছে
Okay.
Second is right or
Those who
second
have
is also
given, okay. Those who have given the test, please match your answer whenever I show and correct yourself.
এরম
Okay.
করে
Now next, Saima.
চালু করে
Saima, you
দিয়েছিলাম
can show.
এরম করলাম ওই
yes,
এরম
ma'am.
করে দাবি এরম করলাম যে ক্যামেরাটা এসে গেল দিয়ে ইয়ে হলো
What mic is this?
Maria Mantal mic is on.
Maria.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, Saima. Yes, very good. Okay, very good. So next time we'll meet.